Describe Dentalkart in one word.
Easy shopping.
Innovative.
Awesome. Loving their products.
That it's easily accessible. I can purchase it.
Efficient.
Convenient.
Efficient and convenient.
My go-to place. Extremely helpful. See, it's amazing. Affordable.
One-stop solution for every dental product. If you want, so you can go to Dentalkart.
Fair.
Convenient.
Keep doing it.
Precise.
Hassle free.
My go-to store.
Heaven.
It is wonderful talking to the customers, understanding their needs and what kind of products they are looking for, what is the new technology in the market, discussing with them, telling what we have brought to India from hard work of going to all over the world, reaching out to different factories and finding product market fit for India. So it's good to reveal everything to the customers and talk about it. Delhi Expo, it is always the best. I wish there is more of education in future in exhibitions. So there are shows which also do education along with the exhibitions. So I wish for more education and rest everything is.
Second is dynamic. When this becomes dynamic, the aesthetic also act like dynamic. So you feel good. So now, to stop it, don't have to go all the way back.